matter around us pure. In this, we are going to discuss the important terms like pure substances and impure substances. The pure substances are further divided into elements and compounds. Then elements are further divided into metals, non-metals and metalloids. So, moving ahead with the topic, then in the impure substances we are going to discuss the mixture. Mixture is of two types, that is homogeneous and the heterogeneous mixture. But before this, I want to discuss some other terms like what is a solute, what is a solvent, what is a solution. Any substance that is being dissolved in a fluid or liquid is called as solute. Suppose if I dissolve some sugar in water, then sugar is going to be solute, water is going to be the solvent, and the mixture is going to be the solution. Again, I write the terms like this: solute. Suppose I take sugar, then sugar is going to be the solute. Solvent. Suppose if I take water, then this is the solvent. When I mix them together, suppose sugar plus water, it will result in formation of solution. So this is a very important fact we need to understand before moving ahead with this topic. Solute, sugar is the solute here, solvent, water is the solvent here. When they are both mixed, they result in formation of the solution. Then here I have written two terms, homogeneous and heterogeneous. When there are two like substances mixed together each other and that are unseparable in state. I want to repeat once again the like and unlike substances. Like and unlike. When they are of similar shape and size, it is called as homogeneous substances. And when they are of unsimilar size, they are called as homogeneous and heterogeneous substances. For example, if I mix sugar with salt, it is called as heterogeneous substances. Sugar plus salt, this is called as heterogeneous substances. Homogeneous means which are of the like type. For example, if I take the flour of rice and wheat, they are almost of the same size and same texture, then it is called as homogeneous substance. For example, if I take the flour of rice and wheat, then it is called as homogeneous substances. So those substances which are of the same size, same texture and same overall, then it is called as homogeneous substances. So once again I repeat my words. Solutes are those substances which are dissolved in the solvent. When solvent and solute they are mixed with each other, suppose if I take sugar and water, then it is called as solution. And starting with my beginning, that what is matter? Matter is anything that has weight and occupies space. It is further divided into pure and impure substances. Pure substances are further divided into elements and compounds. Those which are within like in properties are called as elements, and those which are unlike in properties are called as compounds. Elements are further divided into metals, non-metals and metalloids. Looking in the periodic table, there are 190 elements that have been placed until now, and metals, in the category of metals there are different types of metals. They are being placed in the periodic table in the rows and columns depending upon whether they are having a higher valency or lower valency. If they are, if the valency is low, then they are up in the periodic table, and if the valency is very high, then they are lower in the periodic table. Then metals. What are metals? Metals are those elements which are having the properties of both metals and non-metals. So metals are those elements which are having the property of metals and non-metals. Non-metals example is, if I take the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, these are the common example of the non-metals. Whereas metals are those compounds or those elements which are having the property of both metals and non-metals. So this is for the topic that I am going to discuss in further detail. There is one important term that has been discussed here, what is called as Tyndall effect. Tyndall